The school year, a canvas of possibilities, a blank slate awaiting the strokes of accomplishment and growth. But to paint a masterpiece, one needs more than just a brush. One needs a clear vision, a plan. Enter SMART goals. SMART goals are a beacon that guides students like you toward meaningful achievements, and with the guidance of Flex College Prep, these goals become powerful tools. S stands for specific. Instead of vague intentions, SMART goals are laser-focused. Define precisely what you aim to achieve. Specificity brings clarity, a clear path amid the clutter of ambitions. M stands for measurable. SMART goals aren't abstract dreams. They're concrete targets that can be quantified. L stands for achievable. Flex College Prep helps you strike a balance between challenging yourself and ensuring your goals are within reach. R stands for relevant. SMART goals are relevant to your aspirations, aligning with your passions and driving your growth. T stands for time-bound. A SMART goal without a timeline is like a ship without a destination. Flex College Prep's mentorship transforms your SMART goals from abstract concepts into actionable plans. As the school year unfolds, SMART goals become the milestones that mark your progress and lead you towards success. Elevate your aspirations, conquer challenges, and chart your course to achievement. Join us at Flex College Prep and embark on a journey of SMART goals.